How to fix ITVX error 1006. Hello friends, if you are running ITVX on your computer, then follow the steps to fix it. First of all, turn off VPN. If you are using VPN using a third-party software, then turn it off, uninstall the software and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. If you are using VPN, such as if you have installed NordVPN, then right click on the start button from the taskbar, select installed apps, look for NordVPN in the list here. If you are not finding easily, then type Nord in the search bar. You can see the result NordVPN Nord Updater. Uninstall the VPN. To uninstall NordVPN, click on three dots, select uninstall. Click on uninstall, click on yes on the confirmation dialog. Click on OK, close the settings app and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. Also, you can change the server location on NordVPN or other VPN software you are running. Delete browsing data and cookies. The next method is if you are running ITVX on Google Chrome, then simply click on three dots, click on delete browsing data, click on more over here and select all time. Make sure that all the items are checked and click on delete data. After deleting the data, relaunch the browser and check if ITVX works perfectly. If you are running ITVX on Firefox, then click on three lines hamburger menu, select settings, click on privacy and security. Here click on clear browsing data, click on last hour over here and select everything. Make sure that all the options are checked in this list and click on clear. Then check if the issue is fixed. One more thing which works for users is disabling the DRM setting. For this, type DRM in the search box and uncheck this box. Then check if ITVX works in the Firefox browser. The next method is restart modem or router. For this, turn off the switch of your router and wait for at least 30 seconds. Then turn on the switch of your router. Wait until network signal stabilizes and then try running ITVX. You can flush DNS and reset network to fix the issue. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, then go to the video description to find these commands. Run these commands one line at one time. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. In the same way, copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Run all these commands in the same manner. After running the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check if the problem is solved. The next method you can try is change DNS server addresses. For this, click on search, type ncpa.cpl, click on the result. On this window, right click on the adapter and select properties. Select the option Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and click on properties. Check this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type 8888. For alternate DNS server, type 8844. Click on OK. Click on close. Close the network connection window. and restart your computer. Then check the issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.